The eyes almost come to life as you gaze at them. An amazing masterpiece. To mark the Draper's Chamber of Trade Jubilee, a display called A Century of Fashion has been given at Grosvenor House, London. Barbara Lyon, Ben Lyon's daughter, dressed in the style of 1855, was one of many acting as mannequin for the occasion. Winifred Shutter showed off the croquet sports frock of 1864. All the dresses, by the way, are real relics from Doris Langley Moore's collection. Adeline Shea is a nursemaid of about the same period, enjoying a little relaxation with a soldier in the park. Jill Balcon shows off the attraction of the bustle as worn in 1880. And in the matter of cycling, this was the form in the naughty 90s. Roberta Hubie and Geoffrey Steele demonstrate. Remember the time when women had no say in anything? Well, no votes anyway. Winifred Shutter is a suffragette of 1911. Jessie Matthews in an Edwardian court dress. Expense no object, I should say. And finally, Charmian Innes and Geoffrey Steele in the seductive beach briefs of Edwardian days.
I say, jolly daring, what?